You can see cotton farm, collecting cotton, spinning, circular knitting, and clothing waste. Before starting, I believe some customer may have received our hanger collection, which we already dispatched last week. Please have a look and check more easy to understand if you get it. If not received, please let us know your contact point. Later on, we will dispatch to you. Regarding organic cotton, we often use the organic cotton. I'm no doubt and suspicious. Organic cotton exists? Sure, of course, there is organic cotton. But people use agriculture chemical and pesticide to produce cotton yarn. To be production of organic cotton, actually it is not allowed to use those chemicals, let's say agriculture chemical and pesticide. Land should not be affected by pesticide for 3 years. I mean, it is not so easy to produce organic cotton. How do you think about it? Organic cotton exists? Sure, of course there is, but I think quantity and price we have to think about. I think quantity is very less. So we are focusing on recycle, PET bottle. You can see supermarket, so many plastic package. Last week I have been to supermarket. Yeah, so many, nearly plastic pandemic. Because of COVID-19, more than before. Ocean plastic and collecting the plastic from the ocean. And look, this is the PET bottle. 3 different materials was combined. PET and polypropylene, polyethylene, 3 different material. Yeah, this is polypropylene. Bottle head is polyethylene, and this is PET. And 3 different materials just combined each other. That's why separate collection is very important. As I told you before, 500 billion bottles in the world yearly, too much. For example, Korea, around 12 billion bottles per year, nearly huge. Too many quantity per year. We need to do something for environment at least. So, ECOTON fabric, this is the recycle processing. PET bottle and flake, grinding, washing, drying, grinding, washing, drying. Depends on waste situation. Maximum 12 times washing and drying, washing and drying. So that's why separate collection is very important. And we are working with the yarn factory for ECOTON fabric yarn. So they are doing spinning, and they also have a GR certification. Anyway, this is recycle processing. It takes longer than common yarn. Of course, price effective to such kind of long procedure. Later on, you can discuss. For example, waste words, number of post-consumer polyester bottles for garment. For example, 500 milliliter. This is 500 milliliter. One PET bottle. Around 20 gram chips. 1%. For example, 50 PET bottle. 1,000 gram chips. 1% loss. 990 gram yarn can be recycling for yarn. It means that this is the bottle, but also this is the polyester. Could be yarn, could be fabric, could be textile, garment. We have to think about PET bottle from now on. ECOTON, a principle of ECOTON fabric, two different yarn combined, poly and semi-SDY, and combined together, we made it ECOTON yarn, fabric yarn. You can compare with the cotton short stable fiber. Crimp, very similar, very similar. Look, POY, POY, partial oriented yarn, together with the SDY, spin draw yarn combined. Twist and crimp 20 cotton effect. ECOTON is made by unique DTY. Each has much more crimp than general one, so much more bulky closed cotton through the process of twisting, untwisting two different yarn. We call ECOTON fabric yarn. Characteristics of ECOTON. ECOTON has a strong point, natural touch like cotton, soft and warm, moisture diffusion, UV protection, because of polyester. It's not cotton, polyester. Better abrasion, resistant to bacteria, reduce the fluff and fiber shedding. Those kinds of function, characteristic ECOTON fabric has. Later on, you can compare with the cotton fabric, you can imagine. ECOTON fabric advantage, it is sustainable material, is sustainability, less CO2 emission. For example, PET bottle, 1,000 kilogram burn if it is burning, CO2 emission, 1,485 kilogram can be happen. If recycle, CO2 emission, 1,370 kilogram reducing. So more sustainable product for environment. At the moment, we have two types of yarn. One is 106 denier, 144 filament, 320 denier, 288 filament. At the moment, we have two types of yarn, which we gave you hanger to the customer. This is based on 320 denier, 288 filament. I think some client, they have it, they got it, this hanger. You can compare, you can check, based on 320 denier base. ECOTON 640 denier means 320 denier 2 ply. That's why 640 denier. ECOTON collection. Have a look which we gave you hanger. Number 2, maybe number 12. Number 2, you can touch. Can you do? As I told you before, if do not have our hanger, let us know your contact point. Later on, we will dispatch. Number 2, ECOTON, 320 denier by 320 denier. The weight 276 grams square meter. It means that 17 bottle recycled. For example, number 12, 472 grams square meter. The bottle 500 milliliter. This bottle 500 milliliter. 30.7 bottle recycled. We have a global recycle standard, GRS certification from Control Union. For example, pants, 10 PET bottle can be in recycling. For example, trench coat, 24 PET bottle. It means that depends on design, depends on style. According to consumption, post-consumer polyester bottle. How many bottle? 10 bottle, 24 bottle. It means depends on design, depends on style. This is roughly idea. According to COVID-19, 2020, 2021, it is very special period. That's why our key word in textile, fabric, you know that stay at home, social distance, with mask, delivery service, so lightweight, fresh, next to skin, comfortable, easy, function, sustainability, durability, market, they need it. So according to this, we are researching and developing for fabric. SILKYTEX sustainable product, which we did already, recycled nylon, pre-consumer, polyester, post-consumer, recycled stretch, yarn PU, biodegradable, 6/6 nylon, PU coating by water-based, not solvent. Recently, we developed 7, 10, 15 denier recycled nylon 6. This is amazing, in my opinion, very nice. From the market, we are getting demand. Also, we have a plan for the future, secure yarn by ocean plastic and fish net, also biodegradable membrane by bio-based. We are developing new idea. So, if you need something more, you contact email address, if you need something additional information, you can Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and then we can have an individual conference with you if you want. I can invite you, you can invite me. Thank you so much for your listening.